This is a tutorial for a hang glider, so I'm going to go through an entry of an invert, but you can also do this from a side climb or a shoulder mount or anything that gets you into an outside leg hook really. So we're going to invert. It's the outside arm that comes down above your head and the thumb should be facing up towards the ceiling, up to your head. So if you just do that a few times on the floor, you should know where you're going with that arm when you're upside down. Always do it from the floor first. So we're going to take that invert and then I'll explain the arms as we go. There's one point of contact that you really have to consider when you're upside down, and that's the inside thigh grip. So rather than having all the weight in your arms, you really want to think about how much weight you can put in your thigh as well. And I'll obviously point that out when I'm upside down. So find your invert, hook the outside leg, and then from there the inside hand stays where it is. And then the outside hand comes above your head and down into that grip that we've just been talking about. And then from there, this free leg, the knee drops down towards the shoulder, and straight away I've got a little bit more grip in the thigh. I extend and then take the other leg off. From there, I take the outside leg back on. I hook the inside leg over the outside leg, and then take the bottom hand off to reach up, hand, hand. So I've got my inside hand lower than the outside, so that'd be like an invert position. I'm going to pull up and release the legs and just keep them straight as a little condition exercise. So release and hold and down. And that's the hang glider. So really make sure that you're warming the side of your body because it is a big stretch over, and just make sure you get that point of contact in the inside of the thigh and you should be good.